Judging by the fact that you're watching this video, I imagine that you want to get fitter, faster and more efficient on the bike. Everybody's got different goals. It might be a sportive event or a road race or perhaps mountain biking. But for whatever the event is, the two main tools that we use to analyse training to make ourselves better are heart rate monitors and power meters. I've used both in my career and I'm going to talk through the positives and negatives of each one. This is a heart rate monitor strap. It's got two electrodes here and here and they pick up your heartbeat. You just need to wet them a little bit, obviously get it around about your heart on your chest, put the strap on, and as with the power meter, it then wirelessly sends the data to the device on your handlebars. However, one of the pitfalls of using a heart rate monitor is that your heart rate is affected by so many different factors. Outside temperature, core temperature, levels of fatigue, even caffeine can have an effect on how high or low your heart rate is. I first got a power meter back in 2005. I've been regularly using it in training and in races ever since then. And in my personal opinion, there's no more effective way to measure improvements in your training and track that you're going in the right direction. Most of the power meters on the market at the moment use strain gauges, and they calculate the torque going through either the pedals or through the cranks or through the rear hub, and from that they can make a calculation as to exactly what your power output is in watts. All of these power meters that are using strain gauges are accurate to roughly plus or minus 2.5%, which is about as good as you're going to get with a power meter that goes on the bike in the field as opposed to in the laboratory. 100 watts is 100 watts no matter where you are in the world, whatever the temperature or however fresh or tired you're feeling. It's also a great way for the general public to compare their figures against the best pros in the world. For example, Bradley Wiggins is capable of putting out 450 watts or more for a half-an-hour climb, whereas your average amateur cyclist of the same weight is probably only capable of around 250.
Some sprinters, like Mark Cavendish, are able to maintain an average of over 1,000 watts over the last 250 metres, with an average heart rate of over 180 beats per minute. For more videos like this, go to youtube.com/GCN.